Buongiorno. My name is Pierino, and I'm a local tour guide here in the city of Livorno. Actually, I work together with other tour guides, and we offer different tours here. We call it the Livorno walking tours. I would like to show you during this video some of the highlights, some of the places we find along the itinerary. So come with us. This side we have the shuttle bus stop, and this is for us the starting point of our walking tour. Let me take you to the next place. This is the Fortezza Nuova, the new fortress that was constructed to protect the city. We talk about 500 years ago. But during the construction of the city of Livorno, actually, they realized that this fortress was too large. So they decided to reduce it and to construct new part of the city center, which we can see on the other side. Now we are in one of the busiest corners of Livorno. We have on this side the busy Piazza della Repubblica, Republic Square, with its two white statues. But I would like to show you this other statue dedicated to a very important painter of the 19th century, Giovanni Fattori, a local painter of the group of the Macchiaioli, the so-called Tuscany Impressionists. Well, we are now next to the Fosso Reale. It's like a moat. It was meant to be a system of protection of the old city. So originally the city of Livorno that we see on the other side was completely closed by water. But then in the centuries this was changed into a regular canal and regular waterway, as you can see now. And if you pay attention over there, we can see a very big bridge, also very long one. It's more than 200 meters. And the fact is that if you pay attention, the very top of this bridge we have the large Piazza della Repubblica that we saw before. And now, from this very special point of view, you can see on this side the Mercato Centrale, the so-called central market, food market. Here inside we can find all different kind of items, of different kind of goods, from fish, of course, brought here every morning, or groceries, vegetables, meat, and from the area of Livorno or from the region of Tuscany. I think it's time for us to have a taste together. This is the Duomo of Livorno, the cathedral, and if we go down this street we reach immediately our starting point, the shuttle bus stop, where our tour began.